Hi all, this is Pradeep. Today I'm going to discuss about Kubernetes network policy. Basically, this is a security mechanism in Kubernetes, and in this demo, I'm just concentrating the egress, like only allowing particular outbound access. But I'm planning more videos on network policy because this is a very important in Kubernetes side. So in this demo, here you can see I already created the YAML file for the network policy and kind is network policy, and this is a name, and then I want to apply this network policy to default namespace. And coming to the port selector, okay, I mentioned nothing. That means this network policy is applicable to all the ports in default namespace. Then I already mentioned this is a egress, but we can implement ingress also. That means you can control the incoming traffic also related to port. But here we are completely looking egress, outbound traffic of default namespace ports, and then only allowing 53 UDP and TCP port. Remaining ports, everything will locked in the default namespace ports. Okay, so I think we can start the demo. I already copied that network policy to this file. Here you can see, we can look at. So the same network policy I already pasted here, and then we can do the kubectl apply. Okay, now the network policy is created. We can check the status. Now you can see network policy is created, and we can do the you know describe also. Then we can get more idea on that network policy. So coming to the network policy, this is a name, and then this applicable to all the port. Means I mentioned here in the code level, I mentioned port selector is equal to means none. That means I didn't mention anything. That means it will applicable to all the ports. Okay, then created on this time, and then label annotation is not I'm not concentrating these things. Then port selector, here you can see allowing the specific traffic to all ports in the namespace. This is the main thing. Okay, because of this line. Okay, then not affecting ingress traffic, because in the YAML file I clearly mentioned these are only for egress, not ingress. Egress means outbound traffic. So outbound traffic, like what I'm allowing. So here you can see allowing egress traffic to port 53, only allowing 53 port outbound connection. Remaining 53 it will block. Okay, so now the network policy is created, and then we can create a ports inside the default namespace. So I already have the command. So here you can see this is my uh, ports name. I'm just copy pasting this command, and image image is busy box. Sorry. Okay, okay, we need to delete the, because for the testing purpose I already created previously. So we'll delete it and we can recreate it. Okay, it will take time because this cluster is micro KTS cluster, because it's a small server. That's why it will take time. We can run one more time. Okay, still there. We'll wait a couple of seconds. So what is our, okay, it's created. So now the ports also created. So now this network policy is applicable to this port. This DNS tester ports is it's applicable to DNS tester ports. Then after that we need to log into this port, and we need to check like this port has the 53 is opened or not. How we can check? We can check by using ns lookup. So ns lookup will give the ip of a domain. Here you can see this is google, so that's why we'll get the ip of google. So why we are getting ip of this domain, because we already opened 53, only open 53, so remaining will won't work. So we'll try to log in and we'll check how the behavior. Okay, now we are in the dns tester port, and then we can do ns lookup. So it will provide the ip of the google.com. So here you can see we are getting, because we opened 53. So we'll try to access outbound some outbound connection with a different traffic. So here you can see I'm just doing wget, and here you can see nothing is happening because wget http, it's required 80 port, right? So that's why it's not working. So this is the demo. Maybe we can do some more testing on these things. We can simply delete, okay, kubectl delete network policy. Okay, now it's deleted. Again we can log into the code and we'll try to check how the behavior now. Okay, so first we can check ns lookup because it will work because there is no restriction now. So next we can check the wget. Now you can see wget is also working. Why? Because we removed the network policy. Previously network policy is blocked the remaining apart from 53 everything is blocked, but now we deleted, so that's why we are getting wget. So yeah, this for I think enough for today's video. Basically I'm planning, sorry, basically I'm planning more videos on the network policy side. So yeah, this is very important because coming to security perspective, so this is very important, so that's why I'm including more videos. Yeah, that's it for today's. Thank you.